welcome to Trade Show Joe video series. I'm Dan Riley, and today I'd like to share with you some information about replacement panels for the Nimlok compact pop-up display. Nimlok is a company that's been making displays for a large number of years. Their pop-up dates back to the 1980s. We have the ability to create beautiful replacement fabric or graphic panels for those display systems. So let's have a look. So this is the Nimlok compact pop-up display. I've taken the liberty to go ahead and put it together. Most people kind of know what these are. It includes a pop-up aluminum framework, magnetic channel bars which run up the full height of the structure, and panels. The panels we have the ability to create. This is an example of one of them here. We can assist you with the graphic design of these types of panels. If you can dream it, if you can work with us to help us to understand what you're wishing to convey, we can assist with designing it or work with the designer of your choosing. We know the exact specifications of the panels, the exact width, the exact height, and how to apply all the appropriate hardware onto the back of the panel so that they marry up nicely to the structure. These types of panels can be made in a variety of different sizes. We do them for displays that are 10 feet wide, which is what this guy is. We do them for 8 feet wide, which is what these three would represent. We can do them for 6 feet wide, and we can do them for full height, which is pretty much what this is, measuring about 88 inches high. And we can do them for tabletop. So we just take this type of application and scale it down for a shorter height so it fits on a 5-foot tall tabletop. The graphics are printed using a full color printing technology. They are then laminated, so you've got a protective, scratch resistant, and a UV fade resistant coating over the top. And then the back is a PVC plastic. This is a rollable plastic that comes in white, or some of them we do in black. And when you put everything together, it's the perfect thickness to be able to allow these panels to drape or hang nicely across the entire structure, side by side by side, to make one large dynamic presentation. The way these connect, super easy. You simply have hanging hardware, which we provide for you, magnets, which run down the edges, which marry to the magnets on the channel bars. And then at the bottom, you've simply got a stiffener. This is a PVC plastic stiffener, completely concealed, and that allows everything to lay nice and true and straight across the bottom. So we've got these ready to go. This is how they go up. You're simply going to lay those across the top of the structure. There's some little buttons there that they connect to. And then we're going to complete the process by draping all the way down to the ground. And once you've got panel 1 in place, you're simply going to repeat the process. We're going to go then and carefully attach panel 2 onto the structure. We're going to make sure that it's got a nice alignment, like so. And again, we're going to allow it to drape all the way down to the floor. And we're going to repeat that process 1, 2, 3, and 4 until you've got everything together. You plug in lights and you're ready to be able to show off your company's marketing message at a trade show. Again, we do these as graphics. This is the most common things people contact us about. They'll be like, hey, I've got this old structure. I'm trying to figure out how to reuse it. I don't know exactly what it is. Well, a Nimlok structure is pretty identifiable. Number one, it normally comes in a Nimlok case. A big gray, typically, occasionally black, molded case with Nimlok on it. N-I-M-L-O-K, Nimlok. We have the ability also to be able to make, if warranted, brand new panels for the display that are made of a fabric material. So we either do graphics or such as the end cap here. I'll take off and show you. The end cap or any of the center graphic panels are made of a Velcro receptive material. Kind of resembles commercial grade carpeting and is totally Velcro receptive. So if you didn't want to do this, you're like, well, I need to change it up, I want to do something a little more economical, we can help you with doing something like this. Again, this comes in a variety of different colors. I believe we've got about 18 colors, different shades of colors to work with. We produced this by taking the Velcro receptive material, adhering it or bonding it to PVC rollable plastic, to what we got here. That makes the panel the right thickness, and then we simply apply all the appropriate hanging hardware so it hangs at the top. 1/2 inch magnetic tape in the appropriate polarity, and in the case of the panels, we add a stiffener to the bottom so that they hang nicely on the structure. A lot of times people will just do the end caps, which is what we're demonstrating here, in fabric. Nice color, complement, kind of frame out things for the eye, and then graphics in the center. We can assist with all phases of this type of process, from the design phase all the way through a turnkey process that allows you to take them from production out of the box and hang them up on your structure. Nimlok is a very common, very popular brand. We do them for other brands as well, but Nimlok over the years has proven to be a really good display manufacturer. The displays last a long time. So if you have one of these types of systems, you're like, what do I do with it? The graphics are old, or I got this off another company, or we've completely changed our logo or color schemes. Hit us up. We can help you out with that. These hang just exactly the same as the graphic panels do. You simply connect those at the top, like so, and allow them to connect all the way down the structure and connect with magnets. So that's it, replacement panels for our compact display. So thank you for taking the time to learn more about our process for Nimlok replacement panels. We are not a full-blown Nimlok distributor, but we have been working with Nimlok displays in some capacity or another for a large number of years. We're here to help you. Please visit our website at tradeshowjoe.com. While there, feel free to direct chat with us, contact us via our toll-free telephone number, or email us anytime.